Our topic is going on perimeter and area. In this topic, we have seen some formulas for perimeter as well as area. Means perimeter of a square, that is the 4 into side. Perimeter of a rectangle, that is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Then area of a square, side into side or side square, and area of a rectangle, that is equal to length into breadth. Here we have some more examples to solve here. The first example is that the area of a square part is the same as of a rectangular part. Means area of square part and area of rectangular part is same. If the side of a square part is 60 meter, if the side of square part is 60 meter and the length of a rectangular part is a 90 meter, then find the breadth of the rectangular part. Then find the breadth of a rectangular part. Here I have drawn the figures of square part and rectangular part. Here the side of the square part is given 60 meter and only length of the rectangular part is given 90 meter, and we have to find the breadth of the rectangular part. To solve this example, first of all, we will find the area of the square part. Area of a square part, and we know that the area of square is equal to side into side. So here side into side it will be 60 meter into 60 meter, and 60 into 60, that is equal to 3600 meter square. So area of a square part is 3600 meter square. Now we will find the area of the rectangular part. Here area of rectangular part is equal to length into breadth or L into B. Here only length is given, that is 90. Breadth is not given, so 90 into B meter square. But in the example it is given that the area of the square part is the same of rectangular part. Means area of both the parts is equal, and therefore here area of rectangular part is equal to area of the square part. Now area of rectangular part is 90 into B. 90 into B means breadth, and that is equal to area of a square part, and which is 3600. So I have written here 3600. Here to find the value of B, we have to transform 90, and 90 is multiplying this, so it will divide on the other side, and therefore B is equal to 3600 upon 90. Here one zero of unit place will cancel to each other, so here we will get 360 upon 9, and the division of 360 divided by 9, it will be 40, and therefore B is equal to 40 meter, or breadth of the rectangular part, it will be 40 meter. We have one more example here. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. A wire is taken and it is given the rectangular shape. Its length is 40 centimeter. Its length is such a that length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. Means here I have drawn the rectangle which is made up of a a wire and its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. Now, this wire is rebent. Here, if the same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, here the shape of the wire becomes the square. What will be the measure of each side? Then what will be the side of the square? Also find which shape encloses more area. Means which area, whether the area of rectangle or area of the square, which is greater, we have to find here. So here the length and breadth of the rectangular shape is given. So we will find first the perimeter of the rectangle. So here length is given, yellow. Length of rectangle is equal to 40 centimeter. Breadth B is equal to 22 centimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B, and that is equal to 2 into L is 40 and plus B is 22, and 40 plus 22 it will be 62. So 2 into 62, and therefore perimeter of rectangle is equal to 124 centimeter. Now, but same wire is rebent in the shape of a square, and therefore perimeter of a square is equal to perimeter of a rectangle. So here perimeter of square is perimeter, both the perimeters are equal. Here perimeter of rectangle is equal to 124, but we know that perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. So 4 into side is equal to perimeter of square, and 4 into side is equal to 124 centimeter. Here 4 is multiplying, it will divide on the other side, and therefore side of the square is equal to 124 upon 4. Here dividing 124 by 4, we will get the division 31 centimeter. So side of the square is equal to 31 centimeter. Now we know that the area of a square is equal to side into side, and that is equal to 31 into 31 centimeter square. So it will be 961 centimeter square. This area of the square is 961 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of a rectangle, because we are asked which area encloses more area, which shape encloses more area. Here area of rectangle is equal to L into B, so it will be 40 into 22, because length is 40, B is 22, and 40 into 22 it will be 880 centimeter. From both the areas, it is seen that the area of square is 961 and area of rectangle is 880. This area of square is larger than area of rectangle, and therefore we can say that square encloses more area. Square encloses more area. In this way, we have solved the two examples, and now there is one more example, that is a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter. Means length of the door here I have shown in the figure. It is 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter. Is fitted in the wall. Here this wall is shown. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6. It is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of white washing the wall if the rate of the whitewashing, the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. So here total length of the wall is given and total breadth of the wall is also given, but we are not going to whitewash the area of the door, and therefore we have to subtract the area of door from the area of the wall. So here first of all we will find the area of the door. Here area of door, that is equal to L into B, and that is length is 2 meter into breadth is 1 meter, so it will be 2 meters square. It will be the area of the door. Now we will find the area of the wall. Here area of wall is also in the form of, since length and breadth is given, it will be rectangular. So L into B, that is equal to 4.5 meter into 3.6 meter. So it will be here, if we multiply 4.5 by 3.6, 6 for the 30, 6 for the 24, 24 plus 3, 27, then 3 5 the 15, 3 for the 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So we will get 0. So it will be 16.20 or 20 meter square. 16.2 meter square, that is the area of wall, and therefore area to be whitewashed, that is equal to 16.2 minus 2 means 2.0. It will be 14.2 meter square. 14.2 meter square. And now we have to find the rate of whitewash. Here the rate of whitewash is rupees 20 meter square, and therefore cost of whitewashing the wall is equal to 14.2 into 20, 14.2 into 20, and that will be 280 rupees, 84 rupees, 284 rupees.